like the place.
What?
How close is this?
Do you just have to go pee though?
Can't go down.
Okay. I was gonna say if you have to go poop, you should go up to the house.
Too close. That's more. One right there. The big one. This is the film. And this is the cash room. This is the
Chicken parm.
chicken farm. Let me see.
Chicken parmesan.
This way. Freezer. Here. Watch what's in here. Mom, I'm having some energy balls. I'm sharing them with you, Mom.
You can have one.
Okay.
And you give me one.
Ow. Everybody gets one.
And then we'll see.
Look. I'm having the camera, Mom.
Let's see that.
Yeah, we're at the camera. We're at the park. What? Is that the park that we're at the van? Yeah, that. And some bird. Look. I just beat him. You better pack. You're like, say,
You okay, Luke?
well, Pikachu. He say, pick it up. Say, Aga.
Oh, the sun's coming out. It's starting to be nice. We should go to the beach.
Yeah. Mom, did you bring bathing suits? Mom didn't bring bathing suits.
You're not going to want to swim, bud.
Oh.
It's going to be freezing.
Your shoes right there.
Fly a kite and walk on the beach, though.
Oh,
See
the crazy around.
Maybe see some seals.
Maybe we'll see eagles.
Eagles? Seagulls?
Yeah. Or maybe some fish.
Yep. Can you shut that off? You're wasting the battery.
Oh, yeah.
So today we are next to our favorite beach, but you know, we'll take this as a close second just because we couldn't get parking. Unfortunately at Nauset Lighthouse Beach, we're not allowed to park anything over 20 feet. And with the bike rack, that puts us over. I think we're at 22 or such, so on. So we ended up going over to Coast Guard Beach, which is right down the road. We're gonna show you the beautiful, beautiful beaches of Cape Cod. We are right there. Nauset Lighthouse Beach, Coast Guard Beach, and I think we're camping somewhere over here. So here we are at Coast Guard Beach. It is infested with sharks and seals, and I wish I had a better camera. Maybe I'll bust out the phone and see if I can get a picture of this guy. But we just have a couple, yeah, we have a couple sea lions or something. I don't even know what they're technically called, but they're just kind of bobbing their heads up and looking for fish. And I've been here before, and I bring like a big casting rod, try to fish, but the sea lions seem to scare away all the fish and just doesn't really seem like it's worth it, to be honest. I don't see a lot of other people fishing either, so yeah, no, not a really good fishing spot per se, but if you like big waves, if you just like the sound of the ocean, this place is awesome. Good morning. We are on day 3 of camping, and the first 2 days we were less intentional about filming, but today we're going to try to film pretty much every aspect of the day aside from getting ready to leave. So just a quick rundown. We live in New Hampshire. Took the van down to Cape Cod. We stayed at a campground called Atlantic Oaks, which is by far one of the nicer campgrounds that we've been to. They don't have a pool, but they have just about every other amenity that you're looking for. The nice thing, yeah, they got full, plug-ins and sewage if that's what you require on your camper or whatever, and they have a bunch of activities for the kids. They have a nice playground. They've got a dog park. They have bike trail access from the back that goes, I don't know, probably all the way up the Cape, but the nice thing about it is you can just drive over to, or you can ride over to a place called Arnold's. They've got great seafood, ice cream, mini golf right there. Unfortunately, right now they are closed for the season. We are late in our in the season right now, so we didn't get a chance to show you that. But we have a whole day planned. We're gonna tour around. Oh, sorry. The cool thing about this spot is that I have great access to Nauset Lighthouse Beach. We were at Coast Guard Beach yesterday, and enjoy your whole day facing out into the Atlantic Ocean. Literally nothing out there, so it's really kind of serene to see. You got big waves. If you're a surfer, boogie boarder, that's definitely the side of the cape that you want to be on. And then once it gets towards the evening, you can take a quick 15-minute drive right across to the west side of the forearm and see the sunset, because you really can't see the mainland from that perspective. So you get a full beautiful sunset on that side of the island, or peninsula. So we did that yesterday. We'll probably try to do it again today, but for right now we're gonna head to a donut shop. We're gonna do mini golf. We're gonna go to Hyannis Main Street, go do a little shopping, and then head back over here for beach time and sunset, and somewhere along the way find some food. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this with us.
Hi.
Mom just got out of the shower.
I have to say, like, I did not grow up camping, but I appreciate these showers. The water pressure is amazing. It's better than the water pressure at home. It's so good, and I just feel nice and refreshed, and I can't wait to go to Hole in One and get some donuts.
Let's do it.
Hole in One. Did I say that? Yeah, look at the line already. I mean, I shouldn't say already, I should say still. I don't know what to say. We have a golden milk. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Fine.
Hey guys, I got you.
Munchkins.
Yeah.
It's awesome. What'd you get? You got munchkins too? Mom got a blueberry donut. I'm munching on a Boston cream right now. We also got butternut jelly. Great donuts. Great place.
And a cinnamon roll.
And a cinnamon roll for this kid.
And coffee.
And coffee for everybody.
Ah. Including me.
All right, we're gonna head off to go play some golf, or the main street, whatever we decide to do first.
Mini
Mini golf?
Mini golf first. All right, we're off to Pirates Cove then. See you there. World famous Pirates Cove.
Okay. Hey, Hannah.
I want some.
You want to do one? Okay, ready? Well. Okay. Come over here. Over here. Here we go. Super. Hold on, Noah. You go to the next one. You gonna jump it? All right.
Your turn, Noah.
Noah, look. Next to you. Next to you.
Nah.
What did you get?
Oh! Oh, no, I think you're full.
Oh.
I got it.
Go ahead, Noah. Go ahead and tap
I
yours
got
in.
it. Whoa. There's a pirate. There's two pirates. Wow. And there's a parrot. There.
That's funny.
Wow.
One more time. Go on, Noah. Nice.
Nice.
Did I get 3?
Okay, yep.
I already have 3.
You're up 3. You grab them all while you're in there.
What? What's gonna happen?
Go for it.
No. Happen. No. Where's it going?
Oh, whoopsie.
Wait, Noah.
The green, please. Yeah. Just 45 minutes.
Okay.
Hit the ball so we can go. Put it into the water. Awesome. Okay. Go up.
Right there, buddy.
Three.
Oh, so close. Nice. He's always like. All right, this is the last.
Did Daddy get a hole in one?
All right, this is the 18.
Alright, Dylan, this is it. Okay, go ahead, count it in. Last hit. Good job.
Oh, stay with that.
Alright, hold on, buddy.
Oh. Really?
Don't touch.
Go in. Playing soccer now. What'd you think of Pirates Cove?
Good.
Do you have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Did Gabe have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did Luke have fun?
Yeah.
Hole in one right out the gate, dude. Nice job.
My favorite, because I saw the one my favorite one is. My favorite one was the one where it like you hit the ball, but and then it went down the spiral.
Yeah, that was cool. I like the one with the where you hit it in the water. That was pretty cool too, huh?
The one where you hit it in the water and then it comes back out the tube.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mama, what'd you think?
It was fun. I
Probably-
think we have a new champ for mini golf though. I used to always win and I don't know if that's the case anymore. We'll have to keep you updated with who won.
She's passing the torch. But yeah, Pirates Cove, probably one of the best themed golf course or mini golf courses in Cape Cod. There's plenty of other mini golf courses in the area, but we really wanted to try this one out, so glad we did. And
That was my favorite.
what's your favorite one?
I like the one like it steps down.
The step down one?
Yeah.
That was a good one too. Overall, 2 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up coming from this family. And we're off to the next place, so we're gonna hit Hyannis Main Street, do a little shopping, get some lunch, and then we'll see what we do from there. All right, we are at our next stop, Hyannis Main Street. We just parked over by this shirt shop. I forget what it's called, but they sell a ton of hoodies and shirts and a bunch of gimmicky Cape Cod stuff. But we're just gonna go walk down the strip, do some shopping. First stop was for the kids, second stop's for Nicole. And then we'll go to the beach.
Had a tattoos.
Oh. All right, let's go check it out. Pretty sure there's a cool toy store down here too. Excuse me. There's a grill right here for like burgers and veggie burgers and fries and stuff. Sorry.
You want to turn the key? Back up, Noah, for a second, please. I need you to hold it, honey.
We're gonna eat in the tree, bud.
Maybe after, okay?
Thank you.
Which is hello, Spanish. We got a classic burrito with rojo sauce.
Like stabbed into your body?
Okay, I want to try something now. Let's see if this will work.
We're from New Hampshire.
Well,
Thank you.
we got a great weekend.
Yeah, it was, we didn't think it would be this warm.
Oh, yesterday. We were here yesterday. It was
Yeah, it was nuts. Let me hold your drink, okay, bud? Noah, please stop doing that. Nope. Hello. Well, that was our trip to Hyannis, Main Street. Did a little shopping. Checked out that beautiful restaurant with the beautiful weeping tree or whatever it was. After that, we headed back to the campground area. Right now we're at Campground Beach. Not an original name, but an original place. This place is beautiful. It's low tide right now. You have to walk about 300-400 yards from the parking lot to the actual ocean, as you can see. And we're just gonna enjoy the sunset on the west side of the peninsula. I am freezing. My feet are freezing right now, but I'm gonna try to capture this sunset in time lapse, show you it off the tripod. We'll get a nice shot here, and then back to the campground to set up shop and go to bed. What's up, bud?
Found a lot of hermit crabs.
You found a lot of crabs?
Yeah, hermit.
That's awesome. There's the rest of my beautiful family right there. Right now it's probably 6:20.
Tide's coming back in.
Tide's coming back in right now?
Yeah, it is. 6:31.
6:31. We'll watch the sunset, and we hope you enjoy the time lapse.
Bye, Atlantic Oaks. We had a good trip. Yep. Bye, boys.
Bye.
Bye, campsite 1. You were a good campsite. So this is Arnold's right here. Unfortunately, they have closed, but they got mini golf, lobster and clam bar, and the bike path from the campsite goes right there, which is pretty awesome. But I guess they close after Labor Day weekend, it looks like.
Hey guys, now we're going to the egg place.
The egg place.
Noah.
Good morning, everybody. This is our last day, unfortunately, here at the Cape. We packed up this morning. We left pretty early because we got to get back to clean the van and get it ready for the next customer. But we are stopping back in Hyannis, and we're gonna eat at a place called 521 Main Street. It used to be called the Egg and I, but it must have been bought out and changed. So we are now gonna go get some brekkie real quick and then head home. Let's do it. All right, here we are, last stop at the Cape before we head home. It's kind of a tradition to come out here and check out the canal. just some history facts here about the Cape Cod Canal. They built this from 1909 to 1914. Took them 5 years. And they tried more than once to build this thing with some financial failures, but eventually they got it done. There's 3 bridges, the Sagamore, the Bourne, and the train bridge. I don't know what the train one's called, but this basically revolutionized the shipping industry around here, because between 1600 and 1900 there was over 4,000 shipwrecks off the coast of the Cape due to ships coming into Boston and then making their way to New York or vice versa, and created a lot of hardship for the community and the economy. So building this canal created a lot of opportunity for ships coming through, and the town of Bourne generates a lot of income from the tolls that are created from people passing through the canal. This is one of the largest ocean level man-made rivers in the world. So just a little bit of fun facts about the canal. It's a beautiful stop. It's bittersweet because it kind of means you're leaving, but always nice to kind of come here and just check it out. So we just walked to the end of the canal on the, I don't know, some guy called it the west side, but it feels like it's the north side to me. So tomato, tomato, I guess. But we're over here at the end of the canal, and you'll see in a second we've got, oh, Coast Guard coming in. So we're just at the beach enjoying it a little bit before we take off. But you can see down here, it's a nice little restaurant right there, and some nice houses. Private parking over there if you wanted to eat. This guy's kite sailing or kite surfing or whatever he's doing. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, just enjoying a little bit of canal time. And we are...
Seems to be a tradition. We always come here before we leave. It's like right before the bridge, so it's like savoring the last moments of the Cape before we head on back.
Yep. Just enjoy it with us.
Even before the kids, we would do it. Oh, there's a sailboat. Isn't that cool?
Well, that is our Cape trip. Did everyone have fun at the Cape?
Yeah.
Yeah. We enjoy coming here once a year.
We'll go over that bridge.
We're gonna go over that bridge and we're gonna head out of town. We hope you enjoyed taking a quick peek at the Cape with us. We'll be back next year.
For sure.
We come back every year pretty much. And
hopefully next time we can come a little bit earlier.
We'll try to come in the summertime. And I think we're gonna try to do a whale watching event next year. Some kind of whale watching trip. Bring some fishing poles, try to do some fishing. And yeah, overall, Cape is a great place to travel to. If you're considering it, feel free to hit us up in the comments below. Ask us any questions you have. We're not Cape Cod experts, but we can make some recommendations. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, it is. That one is. There's the Coast Guard boat.
That gray Coast Guard boat. That's what they use to.
And then the blue one is the police on the other side of the dock.